Come on this way. Are my feet ashy?
No.
So we have, oh, this is what we were drinking before.
Empty shell.
So we got
Cash out real quick.
Bottle of wine.
Look it up.
And
It's
then
smooth.
we have our second view.
Get you nice real quick.
Listen long enough, you can love me. Precious impression, you are answer to everything. I have faith. So much comfort. You say, give it all to me. I did in the heartbeat. I did.
We finally made it to Florida. So exciting. Today is Sunday, April 24th. It is 1:16 p.m. We are sitting outside at the pool. It's beautiful out here. It is hot, but it feels really, really good. We can't check in because their check-in's not till 4, so we're just waiting for them to tell us that we can check in. That's what we're gonna, I mean, hello, they look cute. So we're just waiting to check into the hotel. Just waiting. I have a stomach ache. For some reason, we ate something last night, possibly gave us a stomach ache. So hopefully we're gonna be able to resolve that. Either way, we're having a drink, okay? I'm drinking. I don't care what my stomach is telling me. But we're just gonna sit here and relax until check-in time. I'll probably see y'all closer to check-in time because we ain't doing nothing. We'll see y'all in a couple of hours. Hopefully, I'm praying for a 3 o'clock check-in. Checking my phone. Y'all, so we're in Costco because we haven't, our room still isn't available yet. So we have to drive 45 minutes back to Naples to go to Costco to pick up some wine, because what we not gonna do is drink on the resort, because the girls are, you'll be paying for one glass, you'll be paying the same amount for a bottle. Is that what we're gonna say? Sonoma! Yeah!
I'm gonna take this.
How much was the Sonoma?
20 bucks.
Awesome.
But we don't need that, so we'll do these two, and then we're gonna do, this is 30.
Did you see the red over there?
I did.
Okay.
So we'll get 2, excuse me. We'll get 2 of those.
Got 6 bottles of wine. For 2 days, it should be. It should be enough for 2 days. I don't think, I need to make sure they didn't hit me up and say that our room was ready. We made it in the room. I think it's like 3 something right now. But when I tell you this room is sickening. I was a little bit worried because this is one of the older hotels around here, but we have a renovated room. And this room, baby, is gorgeous. I'm gonna do a room tour in a second, but we need to go eat. We're hungry, we're tired, we're frustrated, we're hot. But I mean, the patio's not really giving, but the view is giving. It's beautiful out here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I was worried. And it's my Fabuloso in here. It looks good. Like, it is huge. Like, it's giving apartment. Stunning. Okay, and we got 2 patios? What? I can't. Oh, super excited. We didn't make it out to the beach because we got up in the room. My stomach ache was, this man can't even sing. But we didn't make it out to the beach. We just chilled up in the room, had drinks on the patio, which we're gonna give you like a room. We'll give you a room tour. He's having a moment. I'll see y'all when we get upstairs. Okay, so he stopped singing and he actually is good. And he's good on the piano. I was hating. That was me. That was all me. in my buzz mindset.
Hate.
What you doing?
Oh, they got breakfast at Stonewall's too.
Oh, they got breakfast?
Yeah.
We went to
They're
a place.
4.5.
If you come to Marco, there's this place called Stonewall's that was actually really good for lunch. They had a great crab cake. Now, they don't use salt like that.
This is the other spot that I was looking at. For breakfast all day.
Oh, all day? Yay! We're just going to Doreen's Cup of Joe. But we finally made it through our stomach aches. Feeling a lot better. Once we get up to the room, I need to do a room tour. I'm sorry. We have reservations at 9:15 at a restaurant. So we're going to get ready for that, get showered up, and change. And then we're coming back tonight and resting. Hi, welcome to my home. So I wanted to do a room tour. I wanted to show y'all, but it's weird when you're doing it. So we're in Marco Island, we're on vacation, and I wanted to show y'all the room. We paid for the little extra accommodations. It's a really, really nice room here in Marco Island with Hilton Beach Resort in Marco Island. Let me show you the room. Plenty of space. Let's start in the beginning. This is the foyer. Where's the light? I don't think the light works.
I guess you can turn on one of these.
You think you can turn them?
Cannot. Wait, hold on a second. I don't know.
Is it touch? It's not touch. Okay, so this is the foyer. This is what you see when you first walk in. This is the preferred, what is this, suite?
Beach front view.
I'll leave it down in the description box below. So this is the first half bathroom. It's a half bathroom. You got a toilet. You got a toilet and you got a sink. And that's it. And a mirror. But it's a nice half bath. Then you have the foyer where there's a mirror and 2 lamps.
Watch that lamp.
Come this way. What is this? We never opened it.
Oh, we got it on there.
That's where the hangers are.
Yeah, they got the extra hangers. Oh,
We were looking for hangers. Okay, let's come this way. This is the living space, the living room. The most important part is going to be the bar. You already know the bar is the most important. So this is the bar. We have water. We have all sorts of wine.
We got a gentleman's 6-pack. That's what we got. Gentleman's 6-pack.
Is that a gentleman's 6-pack? Then we have coffee, tea. We're not going to be drinking that because they charge. The girls charge. Come back this way.
What do you see?
Down here.
That's
Down here we have
dingy
some
looking?
raggedy. We have some raggedy cupboard space and a raggedy refrigerator. It don't chill nothing.
No, it doesn't.
At all. And nothing's cold. At all. So we're gonna come this way. Follow me. I know that's right. Come on. We have a couch used. Okay. And then we have our dining room table, TV, coffee table. And a nice portrait.
Somebody throwing up.
Commissioned by Basquiat. And then the cutest part of this room is the what's this, a patio? It's not a patio. What is it? Anyway, this is a little patio and this is a view. Look, it's so pretty. We have a view of the beach.
These are all the other spots that we could have possibly stayed at.
All these other people pay, I know, the people over there, they paid a lot of money for what they over here doing. This place was the least expensive place on Marco Island.
I don't know about the least expensive.
It was. That's what the people were saying.
What?
Come on. So this is
Exactly,
the living
least
space,
expensive.
The living room.
Don't want reviews for least expensive.
Look
You
at
just
this
see how
lamp.
much.
It works. Yes. That's something. Nice little lamp.
Chimes and shit.
Then we have the bedroom. So, should I go in the bathroom? So this is the bedroom. We're gonna head this way to the... Wait, there's another light.
The light's already on.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Just turned it on.
No, you turn it on with that one.
All right. So this is the closet space. All his stuff is already hung up. I already told y'all that he's organized, more organized than me. My stuff is still in the suitcase. This is all his stuff. This is the closet space. It has a little cute little light above it. And then we have this closet space, which is gonna be mine.
Safe with nothing in it because we
Nothing.
broke.
The back, wait. dramatic effect.
Nice.
Wait! This is the bathroom. It has his and, I wouldn't say his and hers. It's just 2 sinks, a toilet closet, and a shower with 2 shower heads. But the shower is cute. It has 2 shower heads, so it has the rainfall shower head, which I don't like. I wear wigs, so somebody's trying to hate on your girl. And they also have a tub. I don't like tubs that have been used. Maybe I should try the tub. Would you get in the tub? No.
Possibly.
Oh, you would?
Yeah, as long as we got some Clorox. Good.
We don't have Clorox.
Okay, well.
This is the bedroom. You have a nice little vanity over there that I could use for my makeup if I wanted to.
2 TVs.
Another couch, another sitting stool, and what size bed is this? A king?
Possibly.
And
Check
then
later.
we have our patio. Another one, a second one. We got 2. That's what we paid for. Come on this way. Are my feet ashy?
No.
So we have, oh, this is what we were drinking before.
Empty shell.
So we got
Cash out real quick.
Bottle
Look at
of wine.
Look it up.
And
It's
then
smooth.
we have our second
Get you
view.
nice real quick.
Second view of the beach. It's gorgeous. Oh my. It's such a good view.
Oh, it's raining over there already.
Is it raining?
Looks like it. See how the streams?
It's so pretty. Oh, this makes me nervous. I don't like heights.
It's not
It
anything
makes me
special.
nervous. It looks like the sand is blue. You see that?
Below what we got going
Oh
on.
my God.
Don't want to really see all that. There you go.
That's it, y'all. We did a little room tour. Now we can finally fuck up the room. We've been trying to keep the room kind of clean. Oh, I was gonna clean this up. But now we need to get ready for dinner. So we'll see y'all after dinner, right? What time is it?
7-11.
Ooh, our reservation is at
9:15.
9:15. It takes me 2 hours to get ready. It can take me an hour and a half. My hair is already done. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the room tour. We're gonna go ahead and hurry up and get ready. I need to take a shower, put on some clothes, put on the outfit for tonight, and then we'll see y'all at dinner. It's weird when he records me, I feel weird. When I'm recording myself, I'm used to it. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and have more drinks and relax, and we'll see you. I don't know if we'll see you at dinner because I won't have time for get ready with me. I'll do that tomorrow. So, see you at dinner.
Thank you.
I feel like.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Ooh, it's nice out.
Yeah, it feels good.
Perfect.
Perfect. Good afternoon, everybody. We're headed to breakfast. I didn't even vlog when I woke up. We woke up this morning because we woke up really late. I didn't go to bed until 4 in the morning. Then, see, I actually woke up at like 8. Then I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. Are you gonna take the car?
Yeah, hell yeah.
So we're headed to breakfast, but it's like 12.
Right here.
It's like 12 something, and we're having breakfast pretty late, but there's this place that has breakfast all day. So get something to eat. And then the reason why we're rushing is because we're gonna do wave runners today. So we had to hurry up and get ready this morning. Well, this afternoon. So excited. I was trying to figure out if I was gonna wear a wig on the wave runner to see if it was gonna stay. But I don't want a tan line.
I think it's just
Oh, the exact same car. Theirs look dirty though. Anywho, girl, I was running around. But my outfit is super, it's cute. This is just a bathing suit cover up from Matt Swim. And the bathing suit is from Matt Swim. Did I take off that little sticky part? I think I did. Look at that.
Yeah, go ahead. You can always do that.
I mean, I can.
Gonna be your ticket. You're gonna take that, follow the grass line to the next hut. Get it to the guys. They're gonna get you going down there.
Okay.
Right, changing up here in the hotel.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the quality on here is not gonna be that great, but so we're waiting here. We're about to do wave runners. I'm super excited. I'm a little nervous though.
Are you?
Yeah. You nervous? You look like a bufferina.
Bufferina?
But it's really nice out here. We're just waiting for the rest of our people to show up. So
So I guess we get all our time.
I guess.
You gotta pee too. Drink all that freaking water.
Yeah, I gotta pee too.
Do you?
Yeah. But he's saying like pee out there. The wave runners are excited. I was ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Be careful.
Oh.
Shit. Oh damn, what am I doing? Oh shit. I guess I gotta turn back around. This is nerve-wracking actually.
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie.
Nerve-wracking you?
Yeah, because I don't want to up. Do this thing.
It is hot. I wonder if we're burning our forehead.
Yeah, probably are.
My hair is a mess. The wave runners are fun, but you said your hand hurts.
Yeah, it's like you gotta keep grip of it for so long. Oh, it's pretty chill. It's nice out here.
Doing an hour run, but 30 minutes is enough.
Yeah, you don't need an hour again. Especially when you gotta go pee. Shit.
You said especially what?
You gotta go pee. Alright, we're about to get back, get some par dente in our system.
Initially, I was supposed to get on my own jet ski. I'm so happy I didn't. That shit is scary. Plus, I can't see. I shouldn't be driving a car. I was supposed to jet ski without glasses. Hope to God we did not burn. You don't think we burned?
Good time?
Yeah, it was great.
Directions were clear and precise.
Faster without capsizing.
Hey y'all, we're back in the room. Just gonna change and what am I doing? We're getting ready to go back out onto the beach. I got sand all over me and I don't know what to do about that. But we're about to go back out to the beach and relax, have some drinks. We need to have lunch. How come these lights, are these the only, what are lights at? Girl, we didn't have on any sunscreen out there, so ooh, that's scary. I want to change my bathing suit bottoms. Right now I'm wearing like the high-waisted ones. I feel like it was more appropriate for the jet skis, just in case anything happened. But girl, we about to get real risque, so I'm about to put on my stringy bikini. Okay, I'm ready. We're ready to go back down to the, not the beach. Yeah, to the beach. Have some drinks, relax. I need to drink some water first. I haven't had water yet. Y'all, my ankles, for some reason, don't look at my feet, but my ankles are like swollen. I have no ankle. Look at that. Like, what happened to me? Don't know what happened. No idea. It's weird. Do you want to have a drink up here?
No.
Okay, you ready to go?
Can't open it.
Huh? Oh, you can't open it. Don't you just dig it into the thing? Like just, and then pull it up.
I'm not gonna break the cork trying to do something silly.
Oh, see?
Guess she'll open it down there.
Okay, well. weeks. Oh, look at my outfit. It's so cute.
A job?
Yes. So we're back from, yeah, about to just put on this other dress, cover up my top. Now we're headed out to lunch. Girl, I'm knocked out at the beach. So I'm just gonna throw on the dress that I had on before, and then we can head to go get something to eat. We got a tan.
If I'm okay, I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even.
Hey y'all, we're getting ready for dinner, and I'm drinking, girl. We've been drinking all day. I've been buzzed since 1, 2. Girl, we getting ready in this vacation time, girl. We out here. Cheers. I'm currently drinking some Decoy Pinot Noir, and we're getting ready for dinner. I have about a solid 10 minutes to get ready. I have this outfit on from ZARA, and I'm trying to give, like, y'all know what sort of vibe I'm trying to give. I need to take this, the tag is still in here because I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it, but I think I'm gonna keep it. In the meantime, we need to go ahead and get ready. I need to get ready in the next 10 minutes. Makeup, everything. That's what we're gonna do. I haven't glued down my wig. This wig is from, I'll leave it in the description box below. I can't remember where she's from, but ooh, look at them curls, bro. And I did it, it's a closure wig, so I did it as a side part. Who was this? Okay, so they act like internet don't work here. It's a 30-inch 5x5 closure wig from Beauty Forever. Oh, you look good. What are you doing?
Just putting this aftershave on.
But I'll be ready in the next 10 minutes. We're gonna use the Wig Dealer Luxury Hair Care Spray, just to spray on this wig. It's a closure, so all you have to do is one spray and then you're done. You're done, you're done. This mirror is way too close. It doesn't really help. Ooh. And I'm gonna lay down the baby hairs with my finger, and that's it. When y'all usually see me do like a wig review or something like that, then when I do it, I'm only customizing that wig one time, and then that's it. Then I just spray it on and go after that. Papa's already?
Yeah.
How much time do I have?
You're out of time.
What do you mean?
You're out of time.
What time is it?
It's 8:30.
Time for any of it. I need to be ready in like 5 minutes. So, see y'all when we get there.
Smells like everything I told you used to. I ain't here, it smells about you. Swear I got it right, I'm feeling inside. So used to think I'm confident. Is this gonna last? All about the pedestal, I'm moving too fast. Feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. All I gotta last.
Good morning. Is it still morning? Yes, it is. Good morning. Today is April 26th. Today's April 26th, and we're leaving the room. We're leaving the hotel. We're still on vacation, but we're just gonna head to a second location. Let me tell you something. It is gorgeous out here. I just sat out here this morning and relaxed. We're already late for our checkout, but we need to go. Look how pretty that beach is. Look how pretty this is. We're gonna miss it. It was nice. Loved it here. Loved the room. Hilton was nice. But now we need to go. We need to hurry up because we're late leaving. Only a couple minutes, but still. We have to head out. I wanted to show y'all it's my little summer outfit. Can I show you right here? Yes, I didn't get to show y'all what I was wearing last night because it was too much going on and I was rushing. But today, this is what we're wearing for the day. The dress is from Zara. Shoes are Sam Edelman. I don't know where this wig is from. Oh, I think it's Eunice. Ooh, Beauty Forever. It's Beauty Forever. Closure wig, but such a pretty summery dress. But we're about to head out, have some breakfast, and we'll see you at I think we're gonna go to Cup of Joe, the same place we went yesterday and have breakfast. Ooh, breakfast ring. Let's get on up out of here. Do you want me to call the bellman?
Yeah.
So we're back at Doreen's Cup of Joe, and girl, I didn't even tell you that my ankles have been swollen for the whole time we've been here. Like my ankles, I have no ankles. I think I told her, but it's still swollen and they hurt. I don't know what's going on with that. I think it's the heels I wore. I'm not sure. They have a pineapple mimosa with pineapple juice, coconut milk, and whipped cream. It goes look. The captain. I'm gonna get a tea time Collins. That's Tito's. Oh, that's vodka. I'm gonna get acai bowl. I had it with strawberries, bananas, coconut, almonds, granola, and honey. I can't wait for this acai bowl. Yes, and can I have a mimosa?
Mimosas here are awesome.
Are they? I can't wait.
Weeks,